Okay, we saw in our last video our difference of cubes and how that difference of cubes formula works. We are going to do a sum of cubes now. Again, a similar problem to the last one that we did. If you felt okay with our difference of cubes and following this formula, you can skip this one and go on to example 4a. So this is example 3b. And my equation is 2x to the negative third that should be 2x to the third, not negative third. 2x to the third power equals negative 54. That's where my negative is. Hopefully the first thing you notice is that 54 is divisible by 2. So let's divide both sides of my equation by 2. And we get negative 27. And like in our last problem, we want our equation to equal 0. Add 27 to both sides. So we have our sum of cubes now. X to the third power gives us x cubed, and 3 to the third power gives us 27. In our sum of cubes formula, A is going to be x and B is going to be 3. Let's just dive right in. So this factors as x plus 3 times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Equals 0. Zero product property, x plus 3 equals 0 when x is negative 3. And this part, x squared minus 3x plus 9. Again, our b value is odd, and it doesn't factor. So we really want to use our quadratic formula here. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 3 squared is going to give us positive 9. Minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. And we'll simplify from there. So 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times 1 times 9. 4 times 1 times 9 is 36 over 2. And 9 minus 36 gives us negative 27 over 2. This one's kind of nice because we have to simplify our radical. And we have imaginary. If you think about what perfect square goes into 27, 9 times 3. And the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3i, radical 3 over 2 as our other solutions.